Hi, I'm Lydia and today we'll be drawing a flamingo. So flamingos are pink creatures that most of the time stand on water, and we'll be using a background as sometimes, but this time we'll be making a bit more creative. So over here is a box, and can you guess what's inside? It's something starts with C. Yeah. So we'll be crafting some things. So over here, I just saw inside are lots of three plies that we can use for the picture. Like you can use pink for the flamingo. You can cut out a shape. There's feathers. There's different kind of feathers, and there's pipe cleaners, which we don't really use right now. And I'm going to be using some sequins inside here. And if you don't have it, it's okay. You can use your color paper to make it. But if you don't, you just use white paper, and you can just color all over it with color pencils, and then you can cut out the shape. Easy done. So we'll be using those supplies to make our flamingo, and I hope you like it. So as you see, got a sheet of paper, one pencil, a few coloring pencils, and a glue stick. Nice and a good glue stick that we can use for like sticking the things onto the piece of paper. So let's start with our flamingo shape. So we can use a black fine liner or texture to do the beak while we're coloring it. So first, get out your pencil. I will start doing the head. You need to find the middle space because we'll be drawing a few small other flamingos. So then this middle flamingo will be the main one. You draw an arch shape that is diagonal to the right corner at the top. So the top end is facing directly to this end. Now, flamingo's head does not have an arch shape, right? So from at this point, you curve it down like a question mark, and we won't be adding a circle to it. Just do a half question mark. And then we have to draw another line. So about 1 centimeter, you do another line that is the same. Now we can do the beak. As we said, the beak we can use a fine liner or a texture to like overlap it. So over here, we're going to draw the beak. Beak that is very easy. Now we have to squiggle a line and then coloring the inside of here. Then it will be the beak. This is the hard part where you need to concentrate. From this line, you draw a small circle and curve it down. And that's inside the circle, which connects us to the beak. I'm going to draw a thin line, which makes the eye. So, now we're going to draw the body. The body needs to curve it down and around, like a camelback. And then a small tail, kind of like a penguin's tail. Gonna swipe it up. from the other one, curve it down and stop at about the first line to this end. You do a small upside down arch shape and curve it back up to the tail. Now what do we do with this one? You draw a thin line all the way to about half to the body shape. Now you do another one. Do the same. That is going to be its legs. Now we're missing a foot. So we're gonna draw like a paddling shape. Add one more, like a duck. Now where's the other leg then? You're gonna use that on, like a ballerina leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to connect it. That looks good. All we need to do now is, like, we can use some seaweed underneath because it's standing in the water about this height. So we'll be clearing the water over here. Now we can draw some other small flamingos, so to make a match. Small flamingos are usually grey because it's a newborn, like swans, ducklings, like the ugly duckling, which is grey. So let's draw another small flamingo over here. We want to cut. Now we just have to color it in. Flamingos don't have blue skin, right? The blue is for the water and the sky if you want to do it. But if you want to do the sky, just have to do blue. That's why I have green for the water, because waters are usually a bit dirty. So I'm going to draw the water and then overlap it with this light green and this dark green. And yellow is for the like eye over somewhere over here, and the rest is for the flamingo's body. The pictures also go with the yellow. The red you can slightly do some like marks over the flamingo after the red one. So let's start coloring. And in the middle of the coloring, when you have finished doing your coloring, you can add a glue pliers to it with this glue. And I hope you like it. And I hope you like it. I hope you like to draw this picture, and thank you for watching this video. Bye!